Welcome to day 16 of the 30-day momentum blueprint. And today we are talking about the one thing that quietly changes everything in your business, your funnel, also known as your freedom machine. A funnel is simply a step-by-step path that takes someone from not knowing you at all to trusting you to confidently buying from you without pressure, without chasing, and without awkward conversations. If you've never heard the term funnel before, I want you to picture a funnel in your kitchen. It's wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. A business funnel works the same exact way. At the top, people discover you through social media posts, short videos, stories, and content. In the middle, they take a small step. Maybe they enter their email, watch a video, or download a resource. At the bottom, the most aligned people become customers. The entire process runs automatically once it's set up. That's why it's called a freedom machine. When I realized I could have a system working for me 24/7, even while I was sleeping, spending time with my family, or living my life, everything shifted. My funnel became my business partner. It talks to people when I'm offline. It delivers the same clear message every time. It removes pressure and rejection. It allows me to show up consistently without burnout. And the best part is it's scalable. Whether 10 people enter or 10,000 people enter, the process stays the same. This is why funnels are life-changing. You are no longer convincing people in DMs. You are no longer chasing friends or family. You are no longer trading time for money. Your funnel does the heavy lifting. Every piece of content you create feeds the same system. Every lead adds long-term value. Every email compounds future income. Without a funnel, you start over every day. With a funnel, momentum stacks. I want you to pause and think about this. What would change in your life if your funnel brought in just one new customer per day? Not someday, not eventually, but consistently. How would that affect your stress, your time, your confidence, your options? This is why funnels matter. They don't just create income, they create stability. They allow you to show up calmly, confidently, and consistently. Your only job becomes feeding the system with value and letting the machine do what it was designed to do. Today, I want you to visualize your funnel from start to finish. Where do people first find you? Where do they take the next step? Where do they decide to buy? Once you see it clearly, everything else becomes easier. This is how you stop guessing. This is how you stop hustling. This is how you build freedom with intention.